Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have access and a clear scope. Start now by picking the fastest entry. Open Medved's UI or call its API endpoint. Authenticate with your token, then run a lightweight query that returns page identifiers only. This first pass enumerates every page ID within your chosen scope without pulling full content. Once done, export the ID list to a temporary CSV or JSON file. Make sure to note pagination limits so you can iterate reliably. With the ID list, iterate through pages or API cursors to expand each entry. Batch requests to fetch metadata like title, URL, publish status, and last modified. This gives context and helps filter duplicates. If Medved supports search filters, apply ones for status or date to reduce noise. Merge batched responses into a master dataset and deduplicate by canonical URL. Make sure to log progress and any skipped ID so you can resume. Export your final dataset to CSV or JSON and confirm headers include ID, URL, title, status, and date. You should spot check a sample of pages to verify URLs resolve and metadata matches. If counts differ from expectations, rerun queries with tightened filters or extended time windows. Key troubleshooting tip: if pages are missing, confirm you used the correct account permissions and that you respected API rate limits. Re-authenticate and retry the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.